done, so we're gonna cook waffle. So let's start. So get the waffle. But before that, let's put water. Oh no, it's too much. This is a Sunny Care cotton with fire. That is a fake fire. So let's put the waffle. Oh my god. Look. Oh. We're done. So this is the waffle. Wait. Power. Let's on. Okay. Done. This is the waffle. Here you go. Let's eat.